Hi, my name is Josephine, and I have been hired by a law enforcement agency to analyze the images used on advertising billboards in both urban and suburban regions. The billboards must visually display a law campaign message to improve neighborhood safety. This was my feedback. These two images are the images I chose to represent the billboards. The first one is the urban billboard, and the second one is the suburban billboard. First, let's analyze the urban billboard. The Metonymic Code. According to Hamilton, this is a collection of signs that cause one to make assumptions. In the first picture, the viewer can assume that this city is a safe place by the amount of people walking the streets and smiling. This looks like happy families are living their best life, and this is a happy place to live. This image speaks to viewers to cause them to emotionally bond with the neighborhood safety message. Therefore, this is a great billboard for an urban neighborhood. Analogical code are mental comparisons. I do not believe that this picture makes any mental comparisons. Displace code. According to Hamilton, it is stated that a busy street can be associated with pedestrian safety. I also think that this picture indicates a safe place to live because of the busy streets. I see families walking. It looks like the pedestrians are safely walking down the streets. Condensed code. These codes combined give a new condensed meaning. Those out of this culture may not get the meaning. According to Lester, if all elements work together to create the association needed, it is considered a condensed code. Next, we can analyze the suburban billboard that I chose. The Metonymic Code. In this picture, the children are walking to school holding hands. You can assume from this picture that it is a safe and happy place to grow up and raise a family. According to Paul Lester, most advertisements use this code. Analogical code. A mental comparison. I do not believe that this picture makes any mental comparisons. Displace code. An example in this picture is that the trees and grass are green, which is associated with warm weather. According to Paul Lester, he also mentions that palm trees and green grass can be associated with warmer weather. Condensed code. This image element works together to create the association needed with all visual elements to incorporate neighborhood safety. According to Hamilton, if all image suggestions have multiple codes, they are considered condensed. I also believe that both of these images have cultural familiarity. Visual images must send proper perceptual visions you would want to stick with, which seems familiar to each community in order to make a connection and reach the audience. Also, cognitive elements. They both have these images which suggest memories and experiencing happiness. Emotional engagement. In both pictures, in picture number 1, the family is smiling, which shows an emotional bond with the neighborhood safety message. And I believe in picture number 2, the message of warmth and a happy place to raise a family shows an emotional bond with the neighborhood safety message.